Hello friends, how are you all? So today I'm posting a new video and I was unable to post yesterday because I thought of making 3 origami flashes instead of 1 because it felt really boring of making 1. Okay, so before I show you what the flashes are, I'm going to show it to you guys. This origami coaster, I finished making it today as well. So, and the thing is, you can throw it as a frisbee as well as a boomerang. There you go. I'm throwing it again. Okay, it is actually a really good model and it can be actually used. Okay, so back to the point. These are the origami flashers which I'm going to show to you guys. Okay, so basically these two are 8x8 grids and this is 16x16 grid. I'm going to show you each and every one of these in a detailed manner, starting from this. Basically all the blue folds here are the mountain folds and the orange ones are the valley folds. So as you can see, I've already finished pre-creasing them. Okay, I'm going to start with the latest one. This is the Origami Deluxe Flasher. Okay, this is a really good flasher, but the twist is it is made from a diagonal grid. And how do you make a diagonal grid? Well, what do, you just fold it in half once. Okay, fold this point to here once, a second time, and a third time, and you do the same on this side. Okay, so that's done in one side and the other side as well. And then you will have a 16x16 diagonal grid, and you also need a normal 8x8 grid, normal grid. Okay, the square grids. So there are basically two types of grids, the square grid and the diagonal grid. Mostly the diagonal grids are used in this deluxe flasher or maybe in the flasher hats. Okay, you know what a flasher hat is, right? So basically this is how you do it. So basically it just comes together somewhere around that, and I'm going to show you by opening it in the finals. Okay, next is the ISO area lightning flasher. I've made some changes to it just to make it look cooler. And why, you ask, I've made the changes? Because it makes a satisfying sound while opening. I'll show it to you at last again. Okay, so basically this is just not a normal origami lightning flasher. This is the original and the only 16x16 grid lightning flasher which can be found, except for the 16x16 grid of the ISO area lightning flasher, my version, not the other ones. Okay, so this is how you collapse them. Now I'll show you one by one. So I'll show the lightning flasher at last. I'll show the ISO area lightning flasher at first. This is how it looks like. Woo! It gives a little bit of a satisfying sound, and also satisfying feeling comes in your hands whenever you open a flasher. It like gives a feeling in your fingers. Okay, like you would be able to understand it if you fold a flasher. Next is the deluxe flasher. This one also looks pretty cool. Actually, I didn't like deluxe flashers before, but after I made it today, I considered giving it a try, and I realized that deluxe flashers are actually pretty cool. They're also really satisfying, so I like them. But obviously, my favorite will always be the lightning flashers. Okay, there are a lot of varieties, so I said flashers instead of flasher. Okay, so this is it for this video. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this 3-in-1 flasher origami video. I hope you enjoyed this, and share it to your friends so that they can also make these flashers. Like this video for more tutorials, subscribe and click the bell notification so that you get notified as soon as I post a new video. Okay, so yeah, I'm thinking of making a live stream next time, and I'm trying to figure out when I should make my live stream, but when I do it, I'll notify you all. So I hope you enjoy your holidays, and bye bye.